Hello everyone, I Swati S. Jaiswal welcome you all with a very big heart on my channel Mind Mappers, a second school to unlock new possibilities. Today we're gonna learn the effective tips to become an influential communicator. Interact to involve. This is the first point we'll be dealing with. We know that people love to talk about themselves. Now, but here we have to do things differently, and that is we have to do and we have to learn the art of getting interested in others' life without interfering. Now, people feel really good and positive to be around interesting people. They feel motivated. But people love more to be around the people interested in their life, their problems, their concerns. So we have to master the art of sympathizing and empathizing. Now, second is involve to influence. Now, we are generally impacted with the people carrying that charisma and motivating ability. But in actual and real sense, we get more influenced by the people with whom we have grown, with the people where we have shared our sorrow to success. Basically, in a nutshell, we can say that we have to be the best version at every communication, whether it is a personal communication or professional communication. And the most important technique to live a long life influence on anyone you're communicating with. First one is parroting, and second one is paraphrasing. Now, what is parroting? It's an art, it's an ability to change one's mind with your communication. For an instance, if in a hospital you are or your loved one is undergoing any treatment, but since it's an expensive hospital, you cannot afford to continue the treatment. And the same verge of time, you're saying the same thing to the doctor that, sir, it is really very expensive. We cannot afford to continue the treatment. And that point of time, the doctor replies to you, yes, dear, it is really very expensive and the services here are really high priced. So I recommend you to shift to another cheaper hospital. And for that concern, you can give my reference as well. And the doctor shifted you to another hospital. Now, what has happened? The doctor has left that lifelong impact on your mind and your mental state. Now, what he has done is he has first parroted what you have said. He has what done, he has involved in your problems, and second, he has influenced you with his warm words and maintained that warm connection with you, and finally he has helped you with your problems. Now the second context would be paraphrasing. Now what is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is saying the exact same thing what the other person is saying, but in other way, in other content. For example, a student says to a teacher or a person that online teaching is really challenging thing for us. We are not able to grasp what we have done in our offline classes. But the other person, that person is supporting the student, but the person is saying that in other context he is saying that yes, online teaching is really challenging, but the students are doing really great job in your examination and they're performing really great in examination despite of online teaching. Now, what the people has done in this, they have communicated the same thing. They are supporting each and every content of the other person, but in different way. Now, the third tip I want to give to you is influence to inspire or get inspired. Now, a person can get inspired or learn from a small ant even. It means we have to be rooted, we have to be grounded and open to learn from any of the people we meet or any of the situation of your life, despite despite this standard or the status of the person. That person who is inspiring you, maybe a hawker, maybe a shopkeeper, maybe an auto driver, doesn't matter at all. You make it inspired with the people you are communicating with, and it totally depends on your humbleness and politeness, which can be given through your active listening and undivided attention on what others want to say. Now, these are some techniques I have shared with you. There are some more techniques and application of which can improve your communication skills and rapport building, will be sharing soon. Some more videos on how to master communication. Till then, stay tuned. I, Swati S. Jaswal, signing out for today. Until we meet again. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.